You know what's crazy? A single button press inside the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach can turn your rear seat into a full-blown first-class lounge with a footrest, neck-heating pillow, and mood lighting that rivals a five-star spa. Yeah, that's not just luxury, that's Maybach luxury. But let me ask you this, when was the last time a car actually made you feel something? Not just, ooh, it's fast, or wow, it's fancy. I mean, truly moved you? Well, buckle up, or better yet, recline, because the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach isn't just a car, it's an experience. Let's talk design, because this thing doesn't whisper wealth, it sings it. The exterior? It's a rolling sculpture. From the shimmering chrome grille that looks like it belongs on a royal carriage, to the two-tone paint options that are literally hand-finished by artisans. Yeah, actual human hands. This isn't just about turning heads. It's about turning the streets into a red carpet. And those wheels? 21-inch Maybach exclusive monoblocks that gleam like they were polished with diamonds. Subtle, not even trying. Classy? Absolutely. But the real magic begins when you open the door, because inside, you're not in a car anymore. You're in your private jet, your penthouse, your peace. Step inside the cabin and boom, silence. Absolute silence. Not because it's empty, but because it's perfectly insulated. Mercedes literally added extra layers of acoustic glass and soundproofing just so you can hear nothing. The seats? Hand-stitched Napa leather thrones with massage, ventilation, heating, and something called a hot stone setting. Yes, hot stone, as in spa treatment, in traffic. And get this, there's a refrigerator between the rear seats for champagne, with matching Maybach crystal flutes. Tell me, what other car is doing that? Now I know what you're thinking, okay, that's luxury. But does it move? Oh, it moves. Under the hood, you've got a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12. Yes, a V12 in 2026. When everyone else is chasing electric dreams, the Maybach still gives you the symphony of combustion. It pushes out 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. And while that might not scream race car, remember, this isn't about speed. It's about effortless dominance. It glides, it floats, it commands. And thanks to the airmatic suspension and road scanning tech, it literally predicts bumps before they happen and cancels them out. It's like riding on memory foam at 130 miles per hour. But let's not forget the tech, because Maybach doesn't just pamper you, it also impresses you. Up front, you've got a 12.8-inch OLED central screen that looks more like a high-end art installation than a car display. The latest? Maybach's interface learns your habits, your preferences, even your voice tone. Want the cabin cooler? Just say it. Need to navigate to your favorite steakhouse? It's already pulling it up because it knows. And the rear passengers? Oh, they've got their own screens, their own controls, and even their own ambient lighting zones. Each seat is its own universe. Oh, and there's an available scent system that diffuses specially designed Maybach fragrances. Let that sink in. Your car has a signature scent. So why does the 2026 Maybach matter? Because in a world that's speeding toward minimalism and cookie-cutter EVs, the Maybach stands tall as a celebration of craftsmanship, power, and unapologetic opulence. It's not for everyone. And that's the point. It's not a car you drive. It's a car you experience. A Maybach doesn't take you from point A to point B. It elevates the space in between. So tell me, if you had the chance to ride in a palace on wheels, would you say no? If this car made your jaw drop even a little, go ahead. Like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most jaw-dropping machines. Because this isn't just car content, this is automotive, storytelling, and the Maybach? Well, that's a story worth telling.